Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe, and for the old ones, I love you guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I make my vegetable salad plus cream, guys. So if you want to see how I did that, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So you're going to need some vegetables. I use purple and white cabbage, green cabbage, bell pepper, carrot, vinegar, white vinegar, mayonnaise, yogurt, and a grater. Yeah, so first you have to wash your vegetable very well, and then you will use the grater to grate it according to the size. I use a grater because I love it. I love the smaller sizes, so you can either slice it or you grate it like me. So these are my vegetable washed and prepared for the grate process. So this big size of the grate, the bigger portion of the grate, that's what I'm using to grate my carrot and my cabbages, while the bell pepper I'm going to just slice it. So when I was done with my cabbages, I used a little bit of white vinegar, to like a teaspoon, just to give that sour taste. So that's what I do with the vinegar, and then I package it into a box, keep it in the fridge, and then I just kept this little one because I'm going to eat it immediately. So I will do that to the purple and white cabbage, or is it green cabbage, whatever. Now is the cream time, so I'm making it so simple. I use my mayonnaise. The same quantity or the same measurement of your mayonnaise should be the same as your yogurt. So I'll put this amount of mayonnaise. You can put, depending on how much you want to, how much cream you want, and then same amount you're going to put yogurt. So I'll put the mayonnaise, the yogurt, and then to sweeten it, I don't use sugar. You can use sugar if you don't have honey at home. So I have some natural honey at home. I'm just going to use 2 teaspoons of the 2 or 1 teaspoon is okay. Just use maybe 1 teaspoon or 2, but I guess this is 2. And then maybe you use 4 teaspoons white vinegar, 4 to 5, just amount. I just want it to be sour, a little bit sour. So you mix all that together with your whisk, and then yeah, your cream is ready. So you can see how thick your cream is. You can keep it in the fridge if you like to eat it cold, but right now it's still hot spring right here, and it's a little bit too cold now, so I don't. So this is just the way I decorate my plate. You can do whatever you like. If you like, you do a star. If you like, you do just follow what I'm doing. The end result is how it feels in your mouth. So guys, just watch and then you grade me for how I decorated it. I think on a different plate or a longer tray or something, I might do something different, but this is something I'll just eat within 2 minutes. Later I'll eat it, so there's no need to be decorated so much. But if you want to serve someone, it's good to decorate though. Decorate, whatever. The food is still going to enter your tummy. So you guys, I ended up decorating it the way I did, with all the vegetables, and then added some eggs. Yeah, you can add eggs if you want, and then you add the cream, and then you enjoy, guys. This thing tastes so good. Alright guys, so you guys have been asking me how I do this on WeChat, so today I have made it for you. So give me a thumbs up if you like it, or if you tried it, please can you send me a picture on my WeChat or my Instagram if you tried doing this. Enjoy your meal. You can serve this as lunch. Lunch. You can serve this as lunch or maybe dinner sometimes, because it's really, I always eat this thing in a day. I'll just make it and eat just this for the entire day, breakfast, lunch and dinner. I don't know if it's healthy. You have to check that on Google. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.